Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You open Chrome on your Chromebook and go straight to Canva. Com or the Android app. Sign in with Google so files sync to Drive. Once signed in, pick a template size. This sets your canvas proportions and saves time later. Make sure camera and mic permissions are enabled if you'll record or use video templates. This avoids interruptions. Now click a template to begin editing. You'll see the editor load with layers and tools ready, so you can start customizing immediately. You'll rely on the left panel Elements, Text, Uploads to build your design, and that's where the real work happens. Drag images or shapes onto the canvas, then use alignment guides and the position tools to keep everything balanced. This ensures professional spacing. When you edit text, change fonts and sizes to establish hierarchy and tweak transparency to layer elements without clutter. Once done adjusting colors and layers, save versions so you can revert if an experiment doesn't work out. You're almost finished. Click Download and choose PNG, JPG, PDF, or MP4 based on how you'll use the file. Pick export settings like transparent background if needed. Next, share by link or invite collaborators with specific permissions so feedback is organized. If things lag on your Chromebook, clear the browser cache, close unnecessary tabs, or use the app's low-resolution preview to speed edits. Doing this prevents crashes and keeps your workflow smooth. Finally, double-check file quality before sending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.